What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna do some drunken chicken. I got a beer, got my famous rub that I made, whole chicken, barbecue sauce, mustard, soda seasoning stick. Gonna start, open the chicken up. Gonna wash the chicken off really quick. Make sure you get the gizzards and lizards out. Wash it all down up in there. Take any extra fat off you don't want. Pull it on off. I'm gonna go ahead. Gonna dry my hands off. Gonna put some of my famous barbecue sauce inside the beer can. You can use your own preference of barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna pour it in there. I emptied out about half of the beer, like that, and it went out. Guess the beer don't like barbecue sauce too good, huh? Chop the foam off. Foam, come on out. Try pouring it again. Slowly. Okay, we're gonna grab the chicken, stick its cavity on there, straight on there, should fit right on. We hope. And we got us a drunken chicken. Slide on down. Okay, our beer's in here. It's also gonna help it stand up on your grill. Okay, I'm gonna throw me a little mustard on to help my seasoning stick. Rub it down on there. You just cover it on down the mustard. You can use mustard, olive oil, whatever you prefer. I prefer mustard. Okay, got my beer can situated. Sprinkle a little seasoning over top of it. Just gonna rub it on there. Just stick right to that mustard. Dang, about 5 pieces off the top head. Now I'm gonna go check on my smoker, see how my smoker's doing, see how my fire getting lit, get ready to put on the grill. All right, let me go check on my smoker. I got my grill up at about 225. I'm gonna go ahead and put my drunken chicken on. Should stand up on its own on the grill. Hopefully. Just look at it. Look at that smoke roll up off.
Look at that smoke.
Let's go ahead and close it on up. Come back and check on it in an hour or two. We got this bird. See that bacon starting to get crispy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and wrap the bird up. Go ahead and let all the juices simmer inside the aluminum foil. Okay, so we wrapped up in full. We're gonna let it go ahead and finish cooking for another last hour. Come back out and check on it. Be ready to cut on up. Just let her smoke for a good 4 hours. Know what she done. Take on in the house, see what we got. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at all the juices in there. Look at that chicken wing just cut off. Nice and fine. Look at that breast. Look at that. You pretty much pull chicken with it. Looks so good. Look at that. Just pull right off. She hot though. Don't try these at home with a knife. Nice and juicy. Plenty of flavor. This is why I put that bacon on there. Smoke it on down, and you can eat this at your own risk. Look how that chicken just cut off. Make some good old sandwiches or anything. You can take and get some Hawaiian rolls, put it between them. Make a chicken salad. You can make all type of things with this. Sandwiches for the week. Freeze it. You can cut it up, freeze it. Hey, and the fire with the electric starter, it did pretty good. Got my wood up really good. That's what I cooked this chicken with, the electric starter. Be sure y'all come back for more videos. Hey, give me some ideas. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let your friends, family know. Hey, that we rolling the smoke every day, all night. Peace out.